Magandang araw mga bata. Ngayong araw ay pag-aaralan natin ang divisibility rules for 4, 8, 11, and 12. Let's start with divisibility rules for 4. It has two rules. First, a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digits is divisible by 4. Example, we have 548. The last two digits is 48. 48 divided by 4 equals 12. There is no remainder. So it means 548 is divisible by 4. Another rule, if its last two digits are both zeros, then it is also divisible by 4. Example, we have 600. It ends with two zeros. It means 600 is also divisible by 4. Let's have divisibility rules for 8. Just like in divisibility rules for 4, it has also two rules. Number 1, a number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last three digits is divisible by 8. Example, 15,480. The last three digits 480 when divided by 8 equals 60. So there's no remainder. It means 15,480 is divisible by 8. Another rule, if the number ends in three zeros, then it is also divisible by 8. Example, 4,000. 4,000 ends with three zeros. It means this is divisible by 8. Divisibility rules for 11 states a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of the odd position digits starting from the left and the sum of the even position digits also starting from the left is 0, or if it is a multiple of 11. Example, we have 924. So we're going to add the alternate digits, yung 9 and 4. 9 plus 4 equals 13. Since yung 0 o yung 2, ay walang ka-alternate or nag-iisa na lang siya, we're going to subtract it. 13 minus 2 is 11. So 11 is a multiple of 11. So it means 924 is divisible by 11. Another example is 1,243. So this time, we're going to add 2 plus 3 equals 5. Ito yon. And the other one is 1 plus 4 equals 5. We're going to subtract 5 minus 5. The answer is 0. Sabi dito, if the difference is 0, it means this is divisible by 11. 1,243 is divisible by 11. Divisibility rules for 12. A number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by 3 and 4. Example, 432. Is this divisible by 3? Let's find out. We're going to add 4 plus 3 plus 2 equals 9. So, sabi sa rule, if the sum of the digits is 3, 6, or 9, it means this is divisible by 3. Since 9 siya, yes, it is divisible by 3. How about by 4? The last two digits is 32. So 32 divided by 4 equals 8. There's no remainder. So it means 432 is also divisible by 4. So according to rule, pag divisible by 3, divisible by 4, it means it is also divisible by 12. So yan po yung divisibility rules by 4, 8, 11, and 12. Okay, so this time, let's answer your activity sheets 1.2. This is under module 3. So with Roman number 1, on your notebook, copy and answer what I have learned on page 7 of your module. You will also answer assessment on page 8 of your module. You will also write your answer on your notebook. With Roman number 2, using the divisibility rules, write true in the blank if the number on the left column is a common factor of the numbers on the right. If not, write false. So let's have an example. Is 11 a common factor of 121 and 176? So let's see. So 121, to know if 121 is divisible by 11, so we're going to add the alternate digit. So it will be 1 plus 1, this 2 equals 2. And since yung 2, there's no alternate for that, so we have this one, you're going to subtract 2 minus 2 equals 0. Since 0 is the answer, it means 11 is a factor of 121. Is 11 a factor of 176? So let's find out. So we're going to add the alternate digit. 1 plus 6 equals 7. So wala uling ka-partner yung isa. So we have 7. We're going to subtract 7 minus 7 equals 0. 11 is a factor of 176. So it means 11 is a common factor of 121 and 176. So your answer will be true. Let's have another example. Okay, we have 4. Is 4 a common factor of 212 and 318? Since we are dealing with 4, ang titingnan lang natin is the last two digits. So, with 212, the last two digit is 12. So, 12 is divisible by 4. So, 4 is a factor of 212. In this case, with 318, 18 is not divisible by 4. So, 4 is not a factor of 318. Since isang yes, isang no, so it means 4 is not a common factor of 212 and 318. So the answer there is false. Okay? With Roman number 3, encircle 4, 8, 11, and 12 if they are common factors of the given numbers. So you're going to use divisibility rules. Okay, so we have a given example. So another one, 124 and 372. Is 4 a common factor of these two numbers? So, tingnan natin. The last two digits are divisible by 4, both in 124 and 372. So, may bilog yung 4. How about with 8? Both of them are not divisible by 8. By 11, no din. By 12, hindi rin. So, isa lang ang may bilog dito. So, ganun lang din ang gagawin nyo dito. You have to test the number for divisibility rules. Okay. So, with Roman number 4, fill in the largest unit. So, that we're talking about the ones digit to make them divisible by the numbers on the left. The first one has been done for you. So, we have divisible by 11. So, ang idadagdag mo lang daw sa ones digit is 7. So, pag inad mo siya, 3 plus 7, we have 10. 1 plus 2 plus 7, we have 10. So, 7 nga idadagdag dito. Let's have another example. So, divisible by 11 pa rin ang example natin. So, we have 12,340 blank. Ano raw ba yung ilalagay natin dito? Isang digit lang to make it divisible by 11. So, i-add natin yung alternate digits. 1 plus 3 plus blank. Wala nga kasi yon. Equals 4. Then, yung kabilang alternate, yung 2 plus 4 naman. 2 plus 4 equals 6. So, kailangan mag-equal to eh. Ano bang yung ilalagay mo dito so that the answer will be 6? So, yes, that's correct. You have to write 2. So, 2 lang ang sagot doon. Isang digit lang ha. Another example, divisible by 4. To number din na to, 12,340 blank. So, ang titingnan mo naman dito yung last 2 digits, di ba? 4 na yung isa. Ano kaya yung idadagdag mo dito so that it will be divisible by 4? So, pwede 0. Pwede rin yung 4. So, magiging yung 40, 48, 4, and 48. Kaya lang, ang nakalagay dito, the largest ones digit. So, syempre, ang sagot dito ay 8. Kapag sinagot mo dito, 0, mali ka. Okay. That's it for activity 2, 1.2 for module 3. This is for week 2. Okay, class? Happy learning!